Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the Notes.AI app. Notes.AI is a Mac app that helps you transcribe your meeting into text of various languages into your favorite notes-taking app, Notion. In this video, we'll talk about how to set up and use Notes.AI for recording and transcribing meetings into your Notion workspace. To get started, open Notes.AI app after downloading it. The app will appear in the menu bar here. A setup window will also pop up to guide us through the process of setting up the app, granting permission, logging into your Notion workspace, etc. Initially, we only need to do this for the first time. So let's grant record permission, click OK, click Open System Settings, find our app Notes.AI app, and let's restart our app. So this will grant the app permission to record system audio and microphone audio. Next, let's log into our Notion workspace. We want to continue with Google, log in with Google. You can log in with email and password as well. Click Next. This will grant our app permission to export a transcription of the audio into your Notion workspace. Select Use a template provided by the developer. Allow access. Now we're logged in as test user, which is the name of my Notion workspace. Click Next. Optionally, we can also connect with Google Calendar so that if you connect with Google Calendar, Notes.AI will automatically schedule a recording and transcription for your calendar events, which is super handy, but we'll skip it for now. Yes, we want to skip. Next, let's select a transcription AI model. The recommended model size is small. You can also choose languages. So we'll choose English and we'll choose a small model. There's also tiny model, large model, medium model, base model. Tiny is like super fast, but the accuracy is somewhat undesirable. The larger model is obviously the best, but it runs very slowly. Now set the model. We're just like waiting for the model to be downloaded to your computer. Okay, now we are all set. Click Finish. And now we may start recording a meeting. Now go over to the app tray in the menu bar. Click Record. Record for 30 minutes. The recording will stop and the transcription will be exported to our Notion workspace shortly. So while it's being recorded, let's play a video to see if Notes.AI can capture what's being said in the video accurately. Here's a sample of a sales call.
Hello, it's Colin.
Hey, Colin. Mark Wayshack calling. Did I catch you at a bad time there?
Yeah, I'm a little caught up with some things right now.
Okay, well, fair enough. Would it be okay if I took 30 seconds, told you why I called, and if after doesn't make sense, we could just hang up? Does that sound fair?
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay, great. So I'm a sales strategist who works with mid-sized companies to create a game plan for dramatically increasing sales. And my clients typically come to me when they're losing sales to low-cost competitors.
Okay, now let's stop the video and also stop the recording. Meanwhile, we can check the progress to see how we're doing with the transcription. Now we're at 0%. We just need to wait patiently. Okay, it's now 1%. It should finish within less than 1 minute. Okay, it's already finished. And here you can see that we can copy the link to the meeting transcription. Alternatively, we can also go into the Notion app and check our transcription there. Okay, as you can see, we have a meetings page here. And in the past meeting section, we see a meeting has been generated. Okay, we can look at the text, the recording will stop and transcription will be exported. That's what I said in the beginning. And here is the transcription of the sales call video. Looks pretty accurate to me. Okay, that is how we set up and use the Notes.AI app for transcribing meetings. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this app will be a great help for you and your work. Thank you.